Hi there. In this first session, I'm going to show you how you can download RStudio in your computer. So first, you just go and Google RStudio, and you will be directed to this official webpage of RStudio. And lucky us, RStudio is becoming POSIT starting this October. So I believe at some point you are not going to see RStudio anymore, but you are going to see POSIT. So let's see. If you want to download the RStudio version, you just go to the download menu here in this tab. And then if you scroll down, you will see the options you are offered. So there are two free options. One of them is RStudio Desktop and RStudio Server. Both of these free options have the integrated tools for R, but the second one, RStudio for Server, it also has access via web browsers. But from my point of view, and if you want an advice from me, I would say go with the first option if you are a starter in RStudio. So if you are just starting using R, just go with this first version. And for more information, if you scroll down, what you will see is that prior of installation of RStudio, you need to install R. And you see that RStudio requires at least this version of R, so 3.3.0. So what next? After you install R, then you go and you install RStudio Desktop. This tab here is for Windows users, but if you have any other operation system, you scroll down and you see you have different options. So you decide which one is the right one for your computer. Then you just click on it and it will be downloaded, and then you just run next, 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 and the installation will be done. For example, if I'm going to download for Windows, you see the installation process will start with the download, and then let's see. Yeah. So RStudio will be installed because I have already opened a new RStudio project and I'm running it. So I need to close it before, but you will have some next, 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 and you will finish your installation process. So what's next? After you install it, you will see an icon of RStudio in your computer. Just double click it, similar to this one, double click it, and immediately you will be in your RStudio space.